Meaning of ghost.
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 Ghost. Ghost can have multiple meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to a supernatural being or spirit of a dead person that is believed to haunt or appear to the living. Additionally, it can also refer to something that is elusive or difficult to define, such as a ghost image in photography. The term ghost has been used in various cultural contexts, including literature, film, and art. In popular culture, ghosts are often associated with horror, fear, and the unknown. Overall, the concept of ghosts has captivated human imagination and has been a subject of fascination for centuries.